10 things no one told me about design systems. Design systems have become an integral part of modern product design, enabling teams to create consistent and cohesive user experiences. While there is a wealth of information available on design systems, there are certain aspects that often go unnoticed or are not widely discussed. We will explore 10 things that no one told me about design systems, shedding light on lesser-known aspects and providing valuable insights for designers and teams. Design systems are living entities. Design systems are not static artifacts, they are living entities that evolve over time. As products and user needs change, design systems need to adapt and grow. Regular updates and maintenance are crucial to ensure the longevity and effectiveness of a design system. Collaboration is key. Design systems are not just the responsibility of designers. They require collaboration and input from various stakeholders, including developers, product managers, and content strategists. Involving cross-functional teams from the early stages ensures a holistic and inclusive approach to design system development. Accessibility should be a priority. Design systems should prioritize accessibility to ensure that all users can access and interact with digital products. Incorporating accessibility guidelines and best practices into the design system from the beginning saves time and effort in the long run. Documentation is essential. Comprehensive documentation is a fundamental aspect of a successful design system. It provides guidelines, usage instructions, and design principles, ensuring consistency across the organization. Clear and accessible documentation empowers designers and developers to use the design system effectively. User testing is crucial. Design systems should not be created in isolation. User testing is essential to validate design decisions and ensure that the system meets user needs. Conducting usability tests and gathering feedback from users helps identify areas for improvement and enhances the overall user experience. Iteration is inevitable. Design systems are not set in stone. They require continuous iteration and improvement based on user feedback, technological advancements, and evolving design trends. Embracing an iterative mindset allows design systems to stay relevant and adaptable. Governance is necessary. Design systems need governance to maintain consistency and prevent fragmentation. Establishing clear ownership, guidelines for contributions, and a review process ensures that the design system remains cohesive and aligned with the organization's goals. Education and training are vital. Introducing a design system requires education and training for the entire team. Providing workshops, resources, and support helps designers and developers understand the purpose and benefits of the design system, fostering its successful adoption. Flexibility is key. While consistency is crucial, design systems should also allow for flexibility. Not all components or patterns will fit every use case. Providing flexibility within the system empowers designers to adapt and create unique experiences while maintaining overall coherence. Maintenance is ongoing. Design systems require ongoing maintenance and support. As new features are added, bugs are fixed, and design patterns evolve, the design system needs to be updated accordingly. Allocating resources for maintenance ensures the longevity and effectiveness of the design system. Design systems are powerful tools that enable teams to create consistent and efficient user experiences. By understanding these lesser-known aspects of design systems, designers and teams can better prepare for their implementation and ensure their long-term success. Embracing collaboration, iteration, accessibility, and ongoing maintenance will help create design systems that truly elevate the user experience and drive organizational success.